Hi everybody, good morning. My name's Mrs. Lill and I have you in Intro to Business class this year. Welcome to East High School, and I'm so excited to have you in class, and I just wanted to give you a quick little idea of what you have to look forward to and a couple other things that we're going to have going on next week. So a little bit about me. As I said, my name is Mrs. Lill. I've taught at East for a number of years. I'm also the DECA advisor at East. I live local, and my husband and I have two children. We have a daughter that is a junior at the University of South Carolina, and we also have a son that happens to be a junior as well here at East High School. This year in our Intro to Business class, we focus on giving you a snippet of all different areas of business. We're going to be talking about several different things, but as an example, we're going to cover some economics, marketing, entrepreneurship, personal finance, and quite a few other things. Our class is very much project-based. Although we're going to be in a virtual setting, we will find creative ways to make that work, and I really hope that we're going to be back together again soon before the end of the year. One thing that you can know right off the bat is that I use Schoology for everything. So if there's anything that I ever refer to, that I talk about, a resource that we use, you're always going to be able to find that in Schoology. Other than that, we are looking forward to seeing you next week so we can make sure we get you off and moving on the right track. I'm really excited to share some of our different things with you and also tell you a little bit more about what DECA is to see if you want to get involved with that. If you want to contact me at any time, please feel free to email me at clill@wcasd.net. See you next week.